Hello friends, today let's see what is the procedure to pay self-assessment tax. So what is self-assessment tax? So sometimes it may so happen that your tax liability may be like 10,000 rupees, but your tax payment including TDS, advance tax, everything comes to 8,000. Then you should pay 2,000 before filing your income tax. So just come to Google, click on self-assessment tax. You need to make sure that you need to go into government website incometaxindia.gov.in. Click here. So just go to click here. Yes. So make sure this is also government site. You need to select challan number ITNS 280. So let's click on proceed. If you are an individual, you need to click on the second checkbox. Now it's not an advance tax, it's a self-assessment tax. So click on self-assessment tax. So whichever bank, if let's say ICICI Bank, PAN, just give your PAN number, assessment year. So click on that, give your address. See, you can ignore these items which is not mandatory. So only just give the mandatory items and just click proceed and you can pay here. Once you are done with payment of income tax, downloaded the challan. So here click here, give BSR code, date of payment, serial number of challan and tax paid. So you can fill the details here and you can file income tax.